Ball. Can you say ball? I think she said it. Good job. Good job, honey. Good job. You have a ball. You could hear it. Might not have picked it up in the video camera. But she's clearly saying ball. And eating a ball. What do you have? You have a ball? Good job. Where's your ball? Is that a ball? Ball. Say ball. Ball.